Once a year, K-9 teams from law enforcement agencies across the state gather for a competition known as Iron Dog.
Throw the toy. The time starts when the toy hits the ground.
Okay. You ready? Wanna go get it? Go get it! Good girl! Come! Good girl! Go get it! Oh!
I really would like to beat Alan and Cruiser today.
Hopefully he's loosened up enough.
Good throw.
Oh, that's perfect. Is that good?
Best time so far, 8.16 seconds.
I gotta be honest, I feel like Michael Phelps right now.
Yeah, you should.
I do.
For the next challenge, the handler and his dog must paddle out to a buoy, switch canoes, and then the dog swims to shore.
Not to do it.
Time starts when the canoe is moved.
Gonna have to go faster. Come on, Mo!
Good girl.
Chris and Morgan are doing a great job, but they're probably just not quite as good as Cruiser and I. That's not getting a boat.
Go, Cruiser.
Curtis is in the lead again, but Cruiser refuses to jump into the water to swim.
He's got a sore muscle. If he doesn't want to jump out, I'm not going to make him jump out. The Cruiser's injury has held him back a little bit, maybe preventing us from winning all of the trophies. Probably, without a doubt.
Alan won the first round. Cruiser didn't complete the second. We'll call it a draw.